Good morning, ladies and gents. It is June 15th, Saturday, and I have a few things to do today. We're just gonna get started. I typically tell you guys what I'm gonna do today, but I don't wanna commit to something that I'm not gonna do. So I'm just gonna go with the motions. So let's head out and see what I get up to. So the first thing I gotta do is put oil in my car because my car burns oil really quickly and it's about that time. Okay, so now that that's done, I am now headed to the post office because they tried to deliver a package yesterday and I guess I needed to sign for it. So I'm about to go try to see if I can pick that up because I tried to do the thing like for redelivery, but it said this package isn't available for redelivery. So I'm just gonna go up here. So it was literally just clothes that I bought from Nasty Gal and Boohoo, which is really weird. Like, why did I have to sign for that? But anyway, so I got that, so I'll be able to do my clothing haul soon. I'm waiting on one more package and then I'll do my clothing haul. I honestly don't have no more space in my closet, just being honest. I don't have no more space. Yet I keep buying clothes and then I don't want to give away any of the clothes that I have. Like, I like the clothes that I have. So no, I have a lot of clothes that I need to hang up right now that are sitting in my laundry basket because they literally don't fit in my closet. And second, I don't even have enough hangers. So in my last vlog when I bought that extra set of hangers and I had a few left over, like maybe 15 hangers left up, no, maybe like 10 hangers left over, I literally have used those hangers up already. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I need to make some cutthroat decisions and get rid of some clothes that I'm not gonna wear, even though I want all of it. I feel like I literally just gave away 2 bags of clothes to Goodwill. Now I feel like I need to do it again, and I just did it like last week, literally last week. Now I'm at Starbucks. To be honest, I really don't even want a coffee. Like, I'm already hot. I kind of want like a cold coffee, but I don't even know what to order. And I only drink decaf, so I don't know. I think I'm gonna just go ahead and get a coffee. So decaf caramel latte with soy milk and 7 sugars. I'm gonna be hyped up on sugar today. Alrighty, got my coffee. There's so many people at Starbucks sitting outside. No one's at work. They literally just poured the sugar in here. They don't even stir it up. That's why I always ask for a stir. Oh my God, this is like drinking sugar. Why did I do this? I made some baked chicken the other day. I forgot to even vlog it. It was so freaking good. It's like I bought that. Like, I baked it. It was crispy. It was like fried chicken, but I didn't fry it. I baked it. It was so freaking good. I just followed this recipe that I found on the internet. I'll link it below if you guys want to make some bomb baked chicken. It's slick, tastes like fried chicken. And I had it with, so unhealthy, but I had it with hot sauce and ranch. Ooh, it was so freaking good. I just thought about it. I must be hungry. But now I'm headed up to University of Memphis to pick up the shirts that I got made for my dad for Father's Day. And don't worry, this is delayed, so he won't see this vlog until after he gets the shirts. Hopefully I'll be able to film his reaction when he gets the shirts, but I just got this feeling he ain't gonna give me the reaction that I want. I want him to be like, oh my God, wow. But that's asking for way too much. I wouldn't even do that. But he's been wanting these shirts for a while, like for a while, so I think he's gonna be happy. I just really don't want this to pop off because I was struggling to get this on here. I'm about to start traveling. It's literally about, I would say, 25 minutes from my location. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And then after that, oh wait, yeah, I said I wasn't gonna pressure myself. I'm just gonna take each thing as it comes. So right now we're headed to University of Memphis. So I just left Ulta, back in the back. I got 2 gift cards that I'm going to give away for 50K over on my Instagram. I want to also get some from Sephora. Where did my keys just go? I want to get 2 from Sephora as well. Okay, so I'm in my mom's car. Okay, I'm gonna make this quick and I'm gonna hold the camera this time. I'm in my mom's car. Ooh, that stressed me out. I just got hot. Okay, I just turned the air on. Anyway, I'm in my mom's car because they need like extra room for their luggage and stuff, because I almost took my car. So anyway, I'm headed to actually get some fried chicken from Zaxby's because I'm hungry, and I know that's like a bad meal to be eating since I worked out 5 days this week, but I want it and it's quick. So anyway, let's move on from that. So then I'm gonna go downtown to get my nails done, and then by the time I get done with that, they should be getting off the airplane, and so yeah, it should be perfect timing. I ended up going to Sephora as well as Michael Kors. I went to Sephora to get some more gift cards for the 50K giveaway. I already set that live, so it runs for 24 hours. I hate that this vlog is like in the past, so you guys don't get to know about it. But if you follow me over on Instagram, then I guess you know about it or knew about it, because it's past tense at this point. So it's literally been today. I think it's the 18th, and I feel like I haven't turned on the vlog camera since Saturday, and it's Tuesday. Yeah, I know. But I haven't, to be honest, I haven't done much of anything. I'm turning back on the camera today. It's actually nighttime. It's 8:38 p.m. I'm about to go live on Instagram to twist out my hair. I'm gonna do a twist out. I had a split second thought to film it for YouTube, but I filmed before how to do my twist out, so I guess I'll link it in the corner of this video if you guys want to see that video. I'm about to do that, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my sheets and everything, because my skin is acting weird. Like my forehead skin is acting weird, and a lot of times that means either one, I just used a makeup product or a skincare product that's breaking me out. If I haven't changed anything with that, it's my pillowcases need to be washed, because maybe like some of my hair products got on it, and some hair products do break me out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and see if that helps my skin. I'm also drinking a lot more water too, like I'm getting a lot better with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this stuff in the washing machine. And I got this new comforter on an Instagram ad, and I don't really know how to wash it. There are some instructions, and you can tell that it seems like something that if you don't do it right, it can get messed up, just from the way that it seems like there's another piece inside of this comforter. If you guys have ever like had a duvet or heard of a duvet, then this seems like a already done duvet comforter, because you don't take anything out or anything. It doesn't have any buttons or any clips or anything. So yeah, I'm a little bit nervous about that, but I'm just gonna follow the directions that they gave me in the packaging and just see how it goes. But I'm gonna wash my sheets first and then wash my comforter. So I just finished twisting my hair, and this is how it looks. And I'm gonna take it down in the morning. I'm super tired. It is 11:50 p.m. Super tired. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I am headed to my bar class this morning. It is 8:15, and I didn't take my hair down yet. It's literally just in the twist. I hate that it like chops off my head when I'm in the car. So yeah, I'm headed to exercise, then I'm gonna go back home and start on filming the Maybelline foundation review. So I'm back from bar class, and I've had a shower, took down my hair and fluffed it out. So now I'm about to film my Maybelline foundation review. So hi guys, here I am in all my glory, looking like don't be a menace, but I'm about to add some flexi rods to my twist really quick, and then I'm going to jump in the shower. I just posted my Maybelline Dream Urban Cover foundation review, which I posted super late. It is literally, what time is it? It's 11:17, and I just posted 11:17 p.m. I didn't really vlog much today, but I went to lunch with my dad, and then we went to Office Depot so I can get some envelopes to mail off the 50K giveaway. And then we just went to the post office, and then I came back home. Tomorrow I gotta make sure that I get up at 7 and head to the gym so I can get my workout in and come back home and start filming the next foundation review. I told you guys on Twitter that this month is full of foundation reviews and vlogs. That is what I have planned for you guys, and the month is almost over, and I feel like that's pretty much what this month has been full of. The flexi rods that I'm using are just like the seafoam green ones and the lavender ones. This is what it looks like. Nothing special at all. I'm about to jump in the shower really quick, and then we'll get ready for bed.